Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create an API token or a key for your account on Toggl Track time tracking application. So let us begin. Head over to Toggl Track, for example, via the desktop version, log into your account. And from this method, guys, you will need to access your profile settings. You will find these in the very bottom left corner by clicking into your profile icon and choose profile settings from this menu here. What you want to do after that, guys, is scroll down here to the API token section, and there are two options how you can do this. You can click into this button or this field here to reveal the given API token. Now I'm not going to do this, of course, for privacy reasons, but you can also reset the API token once every user has one of these API tokens assigned to its account. So you can request a reset by clicking into this button, and after that you will be given another or a new API token so that you can click into this field here to memorize it or to write it down, note it down on Word, for example, or anywhere you like. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.